Good morning, students. Exercise 5.3, third question. If the midpoint x, y of the line joining 3, 4 and p, 7 lies on 2x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0, then what will be the value of p? See the question. Midpoint is they given us x, y. Of the line joining 2 point they given. 2 point is 3, 4 and p, 7. Here see the diagram. This is a line segment. 2 points is, one is 3, 4, another point is p, 7. That is midpoint is they given in that question is x, y. That one I marked. Lies on that one equation given. So that lies on equation is what is 2x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Then what will be the value of p? They are asking is find the value of p. I am using here midpoint formula. Midpoint formula is what? M of x, y is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is starting point, this one is ending point, this is midpoint they given. So for starting and ending point, we mark that one as x1, y1, x2, y2, this is midpoint. So here midpoint answer is, pointers I am written that one as x, y is equal to, in this place you write that x1 value is 3 plus x2 value is p divided by 2, y1 value is 4 plus y2 value is 7 divided by 2. Then after that, you should equate this one. X value. Here x value is 3 plus p divided by 2. Then y value equate. Y is equal to 4 plus 7 divided by 2. Y is equal to, here both are numbers. So directly you add that one. 4 plus 7 is 11 by 2. So y value you got. Next, one equation they given, no, that equation I am taken 2x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. In this equation I am substituting that x value and y value. 2 into x value is 3 plus p divided by 2 plus 2 into y value is 11 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. Here 2 get cancelled. Then remaining you will get 3 plus p plus 11 plus 1 is equal to 0. Here p, add that number. 3 plus 11 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15 is equal to 0. 15 you take that opposite side, it will come as minus, therefore p value is minus 15. Fifth question, O point is they given us 0, 0 is the center of the circle whose one chord is AB. Chord name is they given us AB, where the points A and B are 8, 6 and 10, 0. A point 8, 6, B point is 10, 0 respectively. OD is the perpendicular from the center to the chord AB. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of OD. First of all, I am drawn one circle. Our first line is, question is 0, 0 is the center of the circle. So, the center I marked O. It is 0, 0 is the center of the circle. Chord name is they given us AB. Here I mark that chord AB. A point is they given us 8, 6. So I am written here point is 8, 6. B point is 10, 0. And next, the OD is perpendicular from the center to the chord AB. OD is perpendicular from the center to the chord. AB is this one. This is a chord. From the center, OD is perpendicular. So, I drawn this as a perpendicular line. Then, find the coordinates of midpoint of OD. Our question is, here see this one, OD. OD midpoint is they are asking. Okay. Before that, first we should find that AB midpoint. AB midpoint is D point first we should find. So, by using the midpoint formula, find that midpoint of AB. So, midpoint of AB is equal to, formula I am written that x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Here A point, B point I am written, that one you mark x1, y1, x2, y2, substitute in our formula, is equal to x1 value is 8 plus x2 value is 10 divided by 2, y1 value is 6 plus y2 value is 0 divided by 2 is equal to 8 plus 10 is 18 by 2, comma 6 plus 0 is 6 by 2. When you cancel in 2 table, you will get 9, comma here you will get 3. So midpoint of AB, that is D point is 9, comma 3. That one only I am written the diagram is D point is 9, comma 3. In our question they are asking the find the midpoint of OD line segment, midpoint they are asking. So here you should consider this one as first point is this one second point. Here you should mark x1, y1, x2, y2. The midpoint of OD is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. In the rough column, you take the 2 point and mark x1, y1, x2, y2. Substitute here is equal to 0 plus 9 divided by 2, comma 0 plus 3 divided by 2 is equal to, you add, you will get 9 by 2, comma 0 plus 3 is 3 divided by 2. So, our midpoint of OD is 9 by 2, comma 3 by 2. Sixth question. The point A point minus 5 comma 4, B point minus 1 comma minus 2 and C point is 5 comma 2 are the vertices of an isosceles right angled triangle where the right angle is at B. Find the coordinates of D so that ABCD is a square. Here they given us a 3 point. In this question they given us a 3 point. The 3 points they telling us isosceles right angled triangle. So first we should draw a triangle. The right angle is forming at B. So here you should give B. So I started here A, B, C. That A point is written here 5, 4, B point and C point. Next they are asking is find the coordinates of D so that ABCD is a square. They are asking us D point. When you join this one, you will get a square. Solution. In squares, the diagonals are equal and bisect each other. When you take the square, this is diagonal. Diagonal is, these two are diagonal. In a square, diagonals are bisect each other. So, diagonal distance is equal. So, I am taking is midpoint of BD, this one, BD is equal to midpoint of AC. And taking that condition is midpoint of BD is equal to midpoint of AC. So B point is minus 1 comma minus 2 and D point is we don't know, that only we are going to find. So we mark x comma y is equal to A point is minus 5 comma 4 and C point is 5 comma 2. The midpoint formula I am written on both the side. Substitute here. This side x1 value is minus 1 plus x2 value we don't know. So you write x divided by 2 comma. Likewise y1 value is minus 2 plus y divided by 2 is equal to, in this side we mark now x1 y1 x2 y2, that one you substitute here. X1 value is minus 5 plus y2 x2 value is 5 divided by 2 comma y1 value is 4 plus y2 value is 2 divided by 2. Now simplify this one. Here you are having that variable, you cannot simplify, so you write as it is equal to, here minus 5 plus 5 is 0 by 2 comma 4 plus 2 is 6 by 2. Then is equal to, when you simplify this one 6 by 2 you will get 3, 0 by 2 is 0. So 0 comma 3. After that equate that x value and y value. Here it is x, this one also x, so equating minus 1 plus x divided by 2 is equal to 0. In this side minus 2 plus y divided by 2 is equal to 3. This 2 is denominator, no? If goes this side it will come as a numerator. So it's 0 into 2 is, it is 0. Then minus 1 plus x is equal to 0. Minus 1 comes this side, it is plus 1. Likewise here minus 2 plus y, the denominator 2, if goes this side it will come as multiplication. 2 into 3 is 6. Y is equal to 6. Minus 2 comes this side, it is plus 2. Y is equal to 8. Therefore, we got that x and y value. The vertex of D is x comma y is equal to 1 comma 8. Eighth question. A point minus 3 comma 2, B point 3 comma 2 and C point is minus 3 comma minus 2 are the vertices of the right angle. 3 points are given as vertices of a right angle. Right angled at A. Where it comes right angle is A. So first you draw the right angle triangle. Here right angle at A they given, so here you should mark A, B, C. I am written that A point, B point and C point, whatever they given in that question. Show that the midpoint of the hypotenuse is equidistant from the vertices. So midpoint of the hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? In a triangle, the right angle opposite side, it is called hypotenuse. That means a longest side in a right angled triangle. That is called hypotenuse. See this one, midpoint of hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse side. Midpoint is, it will come here. That is midpoint. So here I marked as O. We have to prove that what is prove means OA distance is equal to OC, OB. These distance are equal. We have to prove. First, what we should find is midpoint of BC. So midpoint of BC, by using midpoint formula, find midpoint of BC. After that, we should find the distance of OA, OB, OC. Solution, midpoint of BC, midpoint formula I am written. So B point, C point, mark x1, y1, x2, y2, substitute here. x1 value is 3 plus x2 value is minus 3 divided by 2, comma 2 plus minus 2 divided by 2. That means 3 plus into minus is minus 3 divided by 2, comma 2 minus 2 divided by 2. Then you will get 0 by 2, comma 0 by 2. That meaning is point you will get as 0, comma 0. This is midpoint of BC. So midpoint of BC is, here you are getting is 0, comma 0. Next I am finding that a distance. Distance means we should use the distance between 2 points. That formula is square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now I am going to find the distance of OA. Distance formula I am written. O point and A point I am written that in rough column, mark x1, y1, x2, y2, substitute here is equal to square root of x2 value is minus 3, x1 value is 0. So minus 3 minus 0 the whole square plus y2 value is 2 minus 0 the whole square is equal to square root of minus 3 minus 0 is minus 3 the whole square plus here you will get 2 square is equal to square root of minus 3 the whole square is 9 plus 4 is equal to square root of 13. Next you should find that OB distance. Square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. In rough column you take O point and B point and mark everything x1, y1, x2, y2 is equal to square root of 3 minus 0 the whole square plus 2 minus 0 the whole square is equal to square root of 3 square plus 2 square is equal to square root of 9 plus 4 is equal to root 13. Next find the distance of OC. Write the distance formula. In rough column you write O point and C point is equal to square root of minus 3 minus 0 the whole square plus minus 2 minus 0 the whole square is equal to square root of minus 3 the whole square plus minus 2 the whole square is equal to square root of, it will come as 9 plus 2 square is 4 is equal to root 13. When you see these three distance, you are getting that answer is equal. Therefore, OA is equal to OB is equal to OC. That is equal distance you are getting. Hence, it is proved. Thank you, students.